Hello! We've learned how to make some delicious meals with Jessie, and I think you're going to love our next meal because it's pizza time! Of course, never do anything in the kitchen without permission from an adult. You'll need a little help from an adult for this one. Do you remember the words ingredients and utensils? Ingredients are the food items we need to make a meal. Utensils are the tools or dishes we need. What do you think we need for mini pizzas? For the pizza crust, we could use a bagel or a tortilla or even a piece of bread. But we're going to use English muffins today. We will also need sauce, cheese, and pepperoni. For our utensils, we will need a knife, a spoon, and a plate. Let's make our pizza. First, split the English muffin. Be very careful or get help when using a knife. We will cut it in half. Oops! Not that way, though. Slice it through the center, like this. Aha! Now we have two halves. Next, spread pizza sauce on each half. When you spread the sauce, you are pushing it so it covers the whole English muffin. You could use a knife, but a spoon works well too. Then, add the toppings you want. First, the cheese. Then, perhaps something else. It looks like Jessie wants some pepperoni on his. Finally, bake or toast your pizza. There are actually many ways to cook a mini pizza. Jessie is using a toaster oven, which is like a mini oven. But you can use an oven, a microwave, or even eat it cold. Since Jessie is using the toaster oven, he will bake it for 5 minutes. Ask an adult how long to cook your pizza if you're using another method. An adult should always help here if we are using an oven. When it's done, you or an adult will need an oven mitt to carefully take it out. The pizza and the pan will be very hot. Ah, that's a nice looking little pizza. Enjoy your meal and don't forget to clean up. Okay, let's review the steps. First, split the English muffin. Next, spread pizza sauce on each half. Then, add the toppings you want. Finally, bake or toast your pizza. Well, it seems Jessie earned his Pizza Chef badge. You can earn your badge too by following the steps and making your own mini pizzas. Delicious! Hey, hey.